some flesh. So here they are, ladies and gentlemen, candidates number 11. Candidate number 12, female candidate. This fabulous costume is made mainly of batik and yellow pages. A perfect epitome of play of textures. This flamboyant gown is made from beautiful, accessorized and embellished with prints native for our own like cinnamon, nito rings, abaca, feathers, and walis tambol. Not to mention the home shells, 5 and 10 centavo coins, and pearls from all necklaces, which makes this gown truly exquisite and indigenous. This wonderful creation is made by a young and batik designer, Jeffrey Coxon.